We are at 6435 Fairway Court in Auburn, California. I'm Johnny Jennings with Made for More Realty. Let's go check out this home. This luxurious home features over 3,000 square feet of living space, 2 en-suites, African acacia wood flooring, quartz countertops, owned solar, and let's go check out the views. Thank you for coming along today's tour of 6435 Fairway Court in Auburn. I'm Johnny Jennings. Expect more and get more with Made for More Realty.